Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jyoti Prakash and let's get into the video. Okay, first of all, we are going to look into Bank Nifty one day candle chart. After that, we are going to look into 15-minute candle. For that, we need to identify the trend where market was heading towards and what will going to happen to tomorrow if market opens gap up or any gap down scenario showing or any negative scenario happening, then what will going to do next. Okay, here you can see that in one day candle, market Bank Nifty opens gap down around 38,600, and after that, it made an negative candle in past 5-minute candle. After that, continues to go up by creating a lower high candle. And here you can see that market now closes above 39,000. And it closes around 39,100, and if it continues to go up by opening flat or by opening any gap, so showing any gap up scenario, then you will going to take trade for buying, and your target will be 38,600. That to be that red candle high, and that red candle high was 39,600. And as I said, if it's open gap up and continues to go up, and if it opens between 39,100 and 39,250, then we will going to take trade for buying. If it shows any buying scenario in 5 minutes or 15 minutes, then our target will be 39,600. For negative scenario for selling, you need to wait for almost it closes. If it closes below 38,800, then you will going to take trade for selling. Neither no, but if it not closes below 38,800, then avoid any selling pressure. Okay, and here you can see in the 15-minute chart. Here Bank Nifty closes around 39,100. And if it continues to go up by opening flat or opening gap up in between 39,200 or 250, and if it as I said on one day candle, if it closes above 39,250, then you will going to take trade for buying, and our target will be 39,600. That to be that high candle of that red candle. And if market gaps up at 39,600, then we'll wait for at least 5 minutes or 15 minutes to look for the trend. If it's showing any negative scenario, then we'll going to take trade for selling, and our stop loss will be high of that candle, and our target will be 39,250 to 39,100. Okay, and if market opens gap down by 38,800 or below 38,800, then we will going to take trade for selling if it continues to show any selling scenario for almost 5 to 10 minutes. After that, we will going to take trade for selling, and our first target will be 38,600. And if it closes below 38,600, then our next target will be 38,200. Okay, because here you can see that market takes support from here, and another day, yeah, takes support from here, and today also takes support from here. If it continues to gap down, opens gap down, then seller will be new seller will be added here, and buyers will be going out by putting their stop loss, and then market will continue to go down. So I'm telling you to take any selling trade if gaps down below 30,800 and showing any selling scenario, then our target will be 38,600 and 38,200. Second target will be 38,200. Okay, and let's look into Nifty's one day candle chart. Here you can see that Nifty also opens gap down at around 37, sorry, around 17,100. After that, it continues to go up and closes above 17,240. If it continues to go up by opening flat or opening any gap up, then we'll going to take trade for buying, and our target will be 17,400 to 17,430. Because as I said that Bank Nifty also have some negative candle here, and Nifty also has a negative candle here. So our first target will be that negative candle high, and if it closes above that negative candle high, we will going to stretch our target to 17,500. Okay, let's get into 15-minute candle. Here you can see that market continues to go by opening gap down. After that, it's showing some negative scenario, but last 1.5 hour, it continues to go up and it closes above that say above 17,250, and it closes also near that high candle, if it continues to go up by opening flat, or if it opens around between 17,300, then we will going to take trade for buying. If it closes above 17,300 and showing any positive movement, then our target will be, as I said, 17,400 to 17,400. And if it closes above 17,400, our next target will be round level 17,500. Okay. Let's assume market open gap down or open flat and go down below. If it continues to go below by opening flat, then our target will be 17,150. And let's assume if market opens at 17,150 or below 17,150, then we will going to wait for 5 minutes or 10 minutes to confirm our negative trend. If it's showing any selling scenario, then we'll going to trade for selling, and our stop loss will be high of that candle, and our target will be, first target will be 17,080, and second target will be 17,000 round level. And if it closes below 17,000 between 10 to 11 a.m., after that, if it continues to show any movement after 1:30 or 2 p.m., then we'll going to stretch our target, and our target will be 16,950. Okay. And that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty's analysis. Here you can also see that Nifty have made some trend here, trend line here. If it continues to go up by closing that trend line, we will going to take trade. As I said, our target will be 17,400. You need to look forward each and every situation where it will open and where it has open, where what will going to do next. If it's open gap down, what are you going to do? If it's open down, what you are going to do? You need to analyze that. Okay. And let's look into Bank Nifty components. As I already said, for making profit in Bank Nifty options, you need to analyze the stocks, because Bank Nifty don't have any weightage by own. It runs by the Bank Nifty components, which has more weightage. If assume if 6 out of 6 from the selecting banks, 4 of them continues to go up and continues to break their high level, then Bank Nifty also showing some buying movement or positive movement, then it confirms, or it shows double confirmation that you can take buying trade here. Because if those banks continues to go up and Bank Nifty also showing any buying scenario, then it might be going very fastly or very rapidly for 200 or 150 point 200 points. And as an option buyer, we need sudden movement, and because option buying will give us profit when market moves suddenly. Okay. And for that reason, we need to analyze those stocks. First of all, we need to look into HDFC Bank. Here you can see that HDFC Bank made a doji candle. If it continues to go up by closing 1420, then we're going to take trade for buying, and our target will be 1430. And if it closes below 1405 or 1410, we're going to look for any negative scenario. If it continues to showing any negative scenario by any 15-minute or 5-minute candle, then we're going to take it for selling, and our target will be round level 1400. And if it closes below 1400, then our next target will be 1390. Let's look into ICICI Bank. Here you can see that ICICI Bank made some range for almost 3 days. We need to wait for either break the high of that range, or either it breaks low of that range. If it breaks any time during trading hour, if it's break the low of that range or break high of that range, then we're going to take it for that side. If it continues to go up by closing above 890, then we're going to take it for buying, and our target will be round level 900. And if it closes below 870, then we're going to take it for selling, and our target will be 860. Okay, straightforward scenario happening here. Let's look into SBI Bank. Here you can see that SBI Bank opens gap down and continues to go up and closes around that negative candle. And if it continues to go up by closing above 530, then we're going to take trade for buying, and our target will be high of that red candle, which is 536. And if it closes or closes above 536, or if it gaps up above 536, then our target will be 540 for buying. Okay. For selling, you need to wait when SBI closes below 525, you will going to take it for selling, and your target will be 520. Okay, let's look into Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank also made positive candle, like, but it's not that strong, candle. You need to wait if it continues to go down by closing below 800, ground level 800. Then we're going to take it for selling, and our target will be 792 first target, second target will be 782. And if it continues to go up, or if it continues to showing any buying scenario, then we're going to take it for buying when it closes above 1810, and our target will be 1820, and our next target will be 830. Okay, let's look into Axis Bank. Here you can see that Axis Bank shows some rapid positive movement, and it closes above it resistance, small resistance, which is 760, and it closes around that resistance where market continues to go down. Wait a minute, I will show you what candle I am talking about. It is this candle. The market made a range here, and after that it continues to go down. If market right now market closes around 776, if it gaps up at 790 and made any negative candle, because here you can see that we have seeing some selling pressure here, and if it gap up around 790, and if selling pressure happening there, then we're going to take it for selling, and our target will be 775. And if it closes below 775, and next target will be 765. Okay, and for continuation of the trade, you need to it need to open flat, or if it need to open between 780, and we will going to take it for buying, and our target will be 790. For if it opens gap up around 790, you need to wait for seeing the movement. You need to wait for almost 15 to 20 minutes to analyze the trend, which trend it will continue to go up or continue to go down. Then we'll going to take it for as per that scenario. Okay, here is the IndusInd Bank. Here you can see the IndusInd Bank made a range bit for almost 3-4 days. You need to close below that range to show some rapid movement, or it need to close above that range to show some buying happening. For me, if it closes above 1220 by opening flat or opening gap up, then I will going to take it for buying, and my target will be 1234. And for negative scenario, it needs to close below first of all, it needs to close below round level 1200, and if it closes below round level 1200, then I'll going to take it for selling. If it closes below 1195, and my target will be 1180. And that's it for today, guys. And if you like the video, you can like my video and channel, subscribe my channel. And if you want to share this content, then you can share to your friends or relatives. And bye bye everyone.